Hello, I'm Stephen Lindenberg, Sales Manager from Jet Midwest, here to take you on an exclusive tour of one of our favorite aircraft. This is Meet the Fleet.
Join me in the captain's seat. This aircraft is fitted with the latest integrated modular avionics needed to take care of your passengers on long flights. Featuring first class and business class seating that lie flat and have in-flight entertainment consoles. This impressively sized aircraft is fitted with a total of 428 economy passenger seats available between 2 flight decks. This aircraft is configured with multiple galleys on both decks to enable you to provide services to a large group of passengers. Now let's take a look at the sizable crew rest providing comfort to the crew. This aircraft is configured with 1,254,417 pounds of MTOW. At Jet Midwest, we provide landing gear solutions catered to each customer's needs. Powered with 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 970 engines, contact us for any of your needs.
I hope you've enjoyed your exclusive tour of this aircraft. If you're interested in learning more, please contact Jet Midwest at aircraft@jetmidwest.com.